Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about the IELTS. Especially, we are going to have an overview of IELTS. So let's start with the full form of the IELTS. The full form of the IELTS is International English Language Testing System. And this particular test is co-managed by IDP Australia, British Council, and Cambridge University Press. This particular test is taken by the candidates who want to study in English speaking countries or have training in English language speaking countries. IELTS can be taken as English language proficiency test as well. So this test will be scored out of 0 to 9, and this test is divided into four different sections. So your English language skills will be tested through four different skills. They are namely listening, reading, writing, and speaking. When we have to look at the listening section, then that will be scored out of 0 to 9. And here you are going to spend 30 plus 10 minutes, I mean 40 minutes to work on the 40 different questions. And those 40 questions will be divided into four different sections. So when we have to talk about the timing of listening section, this 30 minutes is not fixed. So it is approximate time because the audio sometimes might be 26 minutes, sometimes maybe 28 minutes, or maybe sometimes 29 minutes, or maybe sometimes 30 minutes. So this is not fixed, but this 10 minutes time is fixed, and this will be provided to transfer your answer from the question booklet to your answer sheet. So second section is called reading section, and the reading section is also scored out of 0 to 9. Here you are going to have 60 minutes of time, and here we don't have transferring time like 10 minutes in listening section. So we have got 60 minutes, and we have to solve all the questions, I mean 40 different questions within 60 minutes of time. We have to transfer within that time frame. And those 40 questions will be divided into three different sections. And if you are taking academic IELTS, then you will have three long passages. And if you are taking general training IELTS, so it means that you have got two different types of IELTS: academic and general training. So in three different sections in general training, you will have short passages which are divided into three different sections, or it is also known as three different parts in reading section. The third section is known as writing section. This will be also scored out of 0 to 9, and here you are going to have 60 minutes of time to work on two different questions. Task 1 in academic writing, you will have a pictorial question. I mean to say that you will have a picture, and you have to describe that particular picture by using 150 words. Whereas in GT, what happens, just like in task 1, you will have later writing, and in later writing you may have formal or less formal kind of letters to write, and within 20 minutes of time, and you have to produce 150 words. Whereas in task 2, whether it is general training or academic, you will have one independent writing or opinion based writing. So that is also known as free write among students. Here you will get 40 minutes time to write at least 250 words. So these are the three different sections, and the last section is the speaking section. And in the speaking section, what happens, you will have same 0 to 9 band score, and this will be scored out of 9. And here you are going to spend 11 to 14 minutes of time, in which you will be tested through three different parts. When we have to talk about all these four different sections, then if you take IELTS on one particular date, let's say 10th of October, then in that case, on 10th of October, you will have the test of three different skills: listening, reading, and writing, but it is speaking test on a different day. So if you are taking computer based IELTS, then in that case you might have speaking on the same day. But if you are taking paper based IELTS, then you will take test of four different sections on two different days. And when we have to talk about the results, if you are taking computer-based IELTS, then it may take a week to get the result. But if you are taking paper-based test, then it might take almost 2 weeks to get the result. So this is the short overview of IELTS. Then thank you very much for watching, then see you in the next video.